The Rainhill Locomotive, built in 1829 by George Stephenson and Robert Steam's workshop at Rainhill near Liverpool, was a UK-built competitor to the Novelty locomotive. The Novelty was one of the earliest steam-powered locomotives, developed from Richard Trevithick's early experiments. It was constructed between 1815 and 1822. Notable innovations in the Novelty included its use of high-pressure cylinders and valves, as well as a unique boiler design. Its development timeline laid the groundwork for more advanced steam engines. The Rainhill locomotive showcased significant advancements in locomotive engineering, including improved efficiency and power output. Notable milestones include winning the Rainhill Trials in 1829, a prestigious competition that solidified its place in history. The Rainhill locomotive played a crucial role in establishing rail transportation as a viable mode of transportation, influencing future innovations and impacting the development of modern railways.